Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to do another recipe from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. This cookbook is available on Amazon, so I will put the link in the caption below so you can get your copy. We are going to be doing every single recipe in here. Each recipe in this book is kidney friendly, so it is low sodium, low potassium, low phosphorus, but still tastes really good, and there's a lot of great things in here. So let's get started, and today is going to be an exciting one. So we are going to be making the Burlington Raspberry French Toast. So let's get right into it because I'm excited to try it. For the recipe, you are going to need raspberries. I just used Driscoll's. Going to need low sodium white bread. You're going to need unsweetened almond milk. I just use almond brie. You can use whatever one you want. You're going to need extra virgin olive oil, maple syrup, of course, 1 egg. So you're going to want to get a shallow bowl, but big enough that your bread's going to fit in it. We're going to crack our egg in the bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. We're going to whisk this together. Okay, you should get just a mixture that looks like this, if you can see that without pouring it. Take 2 slices of your white low sodium bread. Before I dip my bread, I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil on the stove in the pan, and then I'm going to dip my bread while that heats up. And then we're going to dip our bread and make sure that it's all coated. You're going to take it over to your stove and cook it until it's golden. So this is the bread. I'm going to leave it for about 2 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll flip it. Okay, so I just flipped them over. I think my only suggestion for this part would be maybe using a little bit less oil. I feel like it doesn't need that much oil. Flipping them over again. I just want to cook the other side a little bit more to get them to look like this. Okay, and now that they're nice and golden brown, we're going to top it with 1/2 cup of raspberries, and then we're going to put a tablespoon of maple syrup on top. Oh, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So yummy. Okay, let's give her a taste test. That is so good. So good. Yeah, so I definitely think the only thing I would suggest with this is maybe use a little bit less oil. But besides that, it is so good. This would be so good for breakfast. It's very quick. It took me like 5 minutes. So definitely give this a try. So just a reminder, again, we got all these recipes from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. It is available on Amazon, so subscribe to this channel. I'll put a link in the caption for the cookbook, and let's get cooking some more recipes together. See you next time.